Hello everyone, welcome back to Sober Reviews. So I have uploaded a unboxing video of this particular projector, which is it's a fully automatic native 1080p projector from a brand which is little hard for me to pronounce, Westco. So it claims that it is an Indian registered company, but with specifications and the description on the box clearly tells that it's made in China. So you get your ports here. You have USB, aux and HDMI here, which can be protected using that, but this will still sit on the screen. And you have your power cable here, and the fan which will emit the heater from behind. So overall I've been using it for 4 days. I might have watched around 6 movies, and for comparison I have another 720p pixel HY 320 remote as well, just to show you comparison between two. It's just the difference in features, but both are similar to same. And even this one works for this projector, so you can even turn it on, operate volume, whatever is there on the remote works well with this projector as well. So for this I have placed it in center to project onto that screen. So the reason why I have removed is to show you the condition of the screen and where it is placed. So it's a white projector behind which I have pasted the gray, and had some test trying, but due to the wall problem I couldn't stick like that once. I went ahead with nails, and finally have made some setup. Let me stick this projector and I will show you. Also I'm using a 5.1 system. I also used bookshelf speakers. They work really well, but if you want really true movie experience, you can go with this. Let me keep the screen, turn on the projector and show it to you. So currently the screen has been set. I've completely kept it. Is stick with double tape. This is a white screen, so this is a gray. So the reason is due to the contrast. You need to understand which type of screen, what angle you should watch. So this is gray screen, only visible in a certain angle, so that's why those seated chairs. But if you turn white, you can view it from any angle. That's a simple explanation. Let me keep the light on and turn on the projector and show it to you how it looks in the full brightness. So this is the company project remote. So as you can see, it has different options than the previous one. Oh my god, yeah. So you have focus left, focus minus, and focus plus. So I will show you what all those, but let me turn on this projector. I have used new battery cells into this, but this remote seems to be little slow. So this is the screen. So as you can see, currently the alignment is not done on this. It has been moved wantedly to show you the auto alignment. So it's going to take a couple of seconds. I'm thinking to pause it, but you can see how long it's going to take time. So if it doesn't automatically set it, I'm going to do it from my end. So this is still with light, and this is a gray screen. So I'm going to show you what I was saying before. Right now it didn't automatically adjust, so I'm going to adjust it. Right now it did, but it's not correct. It's trying automatically, but it's not exactly correct. So I'm going to correct it using manual settings. But let me show you what I was meaning by the gray screen. So this is a viewing angle you should do, but if you move little side, that's when the shade comes. Maybe you are able to see little more better on the screen, but in reality it doesn't look that great. Only with this angle it looks contrast and everything looks fine. So I'm going to turn off the light to show you how it's going to look. So it looks really good. It's bright and it's very clear. Now I'm going to navigate it to settings, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is something you can do like every time you turn it on, or you can simply turn off the auto keystone, so it will automatically set to the one you have set before. So you can do it here, like if you have to set it up, you can go to focus and auto keystone, so you can turn it off here, but I kept it on to just for this, but usually I'm like setting it up on my own. So as you can see, now I'm going to adjust it to my screen. So it's 0, so I'm going to lift it up. So right now I kept it at a very good viewpoint. So the problem in this, what I've observed is they didn't give you access to the default Android settings, which could have been easy to adjust a lot more settings, but because of this, lot of restrictions has been done. So let me walk you through the settings and performance of this projector. Okay, the main settings that you should be aware is sound and display. So you all know, if you get a hands on this, you will understand what is keystone and focus. So I'm not going to get into that. So I will directly jump into the video brightness. So many people think it's a standard brightness, but you can also adjust the brightness of this depending on the mode that you want to keep. So currently, if you see in the image mode, I have kept it in movie, but you can this is little darker compared to the other modes, but you cannot manually reduce darkness. I will show you that. So if you click bright mode, you can easily see how it got changed. This is vivid, this is movie, this is sports mode. In the self definition is where you can adjust the brightness, so you can reduce it, or you can just make changes however you want. So that is also possible to adjust the brightness. I'm keeping it in movie mode, that is perfectly fine for my viewing. So in the sound mode, so here are the few settings. There is a standard mode, there is theater mode, there is a classical mode. So sound do differentiate between these setups. Depending on whatever setup you are doing, please select that particular sound mode. It's going to make change in the sound as well. So I've kept it standard, not to have any equalizers playing from the projector itself. And yeah, so screen zoom, all that can be checked. So right now it is 100 inch. So if you are going to reduce, so this is 80 inch, 75, 60, 55, 50. So this is minimum, so you can keep it minimum of 50 inches and you can watch it. So basically you need to keep it little far, like what I have placed, and you want to have a smaller screen. So this is something you can try to do it. So I have a door there, but I'm able to still keep the projector and use it. So as you can see, the whole mode has been changed to 50 inches screen. So these are the two things that I wanted to show. Next video we can see the differentiator between 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, and also comparison with another projector. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.